I'm Aditi Agrawal and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how we can make this quarantine productive. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो जरूर लाइक करें and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So I'm going to start with advanced Microsoft courses. This is because you all are familiar with it from your childhood, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So it will just take few hours of your contribution to just enhance those skills. So there are plenty of courses available online. So some must be paid, some must be unpaid. You can go accordingly. I have given links of few in my description box. You can just check it out. You can also take lingual courses like learning international languages is always preferable. In my opinion, you can go for French, German or Spanish, which is like very trending nowadays. I have also provided the link in the description box of my personal favorite tutor. Just check it out. Apart from courses which we have discussed till now, you can also go and pick courses according to your field. Like if you're from IT background, go and learn trending coding languages like JavaScript, Java, Python, etc. If you're from literature background, you can go for creative writing courses, you can go for novel writing courses. This will make you efficient and your quarantine productive. It is not necessary that everything you learn has to be curriculum bonded. It can be anything that interests you. It can be learning musical instrument, dancing, singing, cooking. Like it is the right time to make your hobby your passion. So this tip is basically for the college students who have already done some of the courses like that or are well versed with the skills in their field. So now it's time for you to go and apply for some internships on the websites like naukri.com, Internshala and many other platforms are now available where you can apply for internships very easily. So if you want me to make videos like how to apply for internships, you can just let me know in the comment section. So here is the bonus tip for all my lovely audience. Try maintaining your sleep routine. Do care for your skin and hair as well and feel the changes. If you like my opinion regarding how to make this quarantine productive, hit the like button, comment and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.